The question is what we need to ask. Must we wait until...
Activist Miles Voodoo posing a question which Judge Thokozile Masipa tried to give a very balanced answer to. As the sentence was read out, Oscar Pistorius, looking quite composed, was led down to a holding cell by the police. His supporters were quite upset. We spoke to one of them earlier.
I believe it was just a tragic accident, as he explained in his testimony.
I would call it a consolation sentence. I'm not very happy with the outcome.
The ANC Women's League, however, were upset for a different reason.
We are saddened by the sentence. We were never happy about the verdict. And now it has been proven that that sadness is escalating. Hence, we are calling for the national prosecution for an appeal.
The decision which is upstated will be taken by the prosecution team based on whether the law supports us or supports the decision that we would like to make. There is a bit of an appetite, of course, to appeal, but as I said, we have to consider the law, not the feelings of people.
This is a case that has attracted divided views from start to finish.
Well, I think Judge Thokozile Masipa's finding at the end of this particular trial was contentious. We know that it has been contentious. The state had been pushing for a premeditated murder conviction, but ultimately they weren't going to get that given the facts that were presented. They didn't have a strong enough case.
June and Barry Steenkamp wouldn't speak to the media at the end of the court session, but their lawyer, Advocate De Bruin, says on their behalf, justice has been served. At the side entrance of the court, a huge crowd awaited Oscar's transfer to the Hosi Mampuru 2 prisons. But close by, his displeased family addressed the media, accusing the state of placing a cloud of premeditated murder all over the trial. They, however, say they have accepted the sentence.
As a family, we are ready to support and guide Oscar as he serves his sentence.
A seeming end to a much talked about case and indeed a most judged judge. But the National Prosecuting Authority has said that it is considering appealing against the conviction of Oscar Pistorius of culpable homicide instead of murder. We'll find that out in the next couple of weeks. From the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria, South Africa, Betty Dibia, Channels Television News.